We're going to have a look at the random orbital sander, or more commonly known as the palm sander. This particular model is a Makita 115mm. The self-adhesive placeable grit on the sandpaper there. These pads come on and they come in a range from about 80 to 200 grit. Obviously the 80 is pretty coarse and the 200 is pretty fine, and they'll just line up the holes there, light push, on she goes. And there's a dust bag in this particular model, quite good to keep the dust down, and it just needs to be turned on and apply light pressure, not to push too hard. I'll get my earmuffs. On off switch here, and away we go. There you go, all done.